A degree does not guarantee financial security. It guarantees education, yes. We're struggling because we were taught the wrong things about money.
Income over emotion, steady when I move. Where strategy be stress, yeah, that's the rule. Income over emotion, keep my mind slow money, smart plans, long vision here. Income over emotion.
My name is Peter, and this is Income Over Emotion, where strategy beats stress. This is financial lies we were taught growing up, and this is the third in a 5-episode series. If you did not see the first one, you could go watch the first episode before this one. This is the third one. 5 financial lies we were taught growing up. Let's talk about something uncomfortable. Listen, a lot of us are not struggling financially because we're lazy. Now, that's a fact. You see, some of us, we're struggling because we were taught the wrong things about money. Hear me out. Stick around. It gets better. Not intentionally. You see, our parents taught us what they knew. Schools taught us what they were designed to teach. But some of those lessons, they don't build wealth. So today we're breaking down 5 financial lies we were taught growing up. 5 financial lies we were taught growing up. And one of them, you can stop living by them. Let's go. Lie number 1. Go to school, get a job, and you'll be set for life. You see, that formula may have worked in a different era. But today, a degree does not guarantee financial security. It guarantees education, yes. But there's a difference. Job can lay you off, companies restructure, pensions disappear. Income security today comes from skills, adaptability, investing, multiple income streams. You see, education is still important, don't get me wrong, but financial education is essential in these times. Lie number 2, credit cards are evil. No, credit cards aren't evil. Misuse of the credit card is. You see, credit is a tool used wisely. You build credit history, earn rewards sometimes, protect purchases. Used emotionally, you could build debt, pay interest, stay stuck. The lie wasn't about credit cards, The lie was thinking tools are the problem instead of behavior. Lie number 3, save money and you'll be rich. You see, savings is important. Don't get me wrong, savings is important. But savings alone does not build wealth. Listen to this. Inflation quietly erodes idle cash. Historically, broad market investing through vehicles like the S&P 500, obviously the stock market, has outpaced inflation over long periods. Many people don't realize that. It's like money in a mattress loses power, but money invested gains power. Not a lot of people realize that. You see, savings protect you. Investments grow you. You need both, though. Don't get me wrong, you need both. Lie number 4. Your house is your greatest asset. Let's see about that. A house can be an asset, but it can also be a liability. If it costs you every month, doesn't generate income, requires constant repairs, it's not automatically wealth. It may be stability, it may be comfort, but wealth is built when assets produce income. Rental properties, dividend stocks, businesses. Your primary home is not necessarily a retirement plan by itself. No. Lie number 5. Talking about money is rude. This one keeps people broke quietly. If you never talk about money, if you never talk about investing, income, debt, wealth strategy, you never learn. You never. You see, silence creates ignorance, and ignorance is expensive. You see, money conversation should be normal, healthy, educational, not taboo. Not taboo. So let's wrap this third in the series of the 5 series episode. Let's wrap this one up. Here's the truth. Most of these lies weren't malicious. No, I don't take them personal from my parents. They were outdated. You see, the economy changed. The rule changed. But many people are still playing by the old rules. And when you follow outdated financial beliefs, you get outdated results. Simple. This isn't about blaming anyone. It's about upgrading your financial operating system. Now, in closing, if this episode challenged you, good. You see, growth begins when comfort ends. Comment below. Which financial lie did you believe the longest? And if you're building wealth intentionally, subscribe. Okay, this has been Income Over Emotion with Peter, where strategy beats stress. And stick around for the fourth in the series coming up next. Don't forget, like, share this episode with your peers.